required tape, glue, scissors, stick, cotton buds, plant seedling, plastic water bottle and sand. Plastic reusing garden with water dripping system. We are making a garden using plastic bottles. Instead of throwing the bottles away, we use them to grow plants. On the top there will be a water bottle that holds water, and there will be a hole in it so that water drips from the water bottle into the plant below. This helps the plant get water little by little without wasting it. The problem is people throw plastic bottles in the trash that pollutes our environment. And also plants dry up because they don't get enough water or too much water is wasted. So the solution is we reuse plastic bottles to grow plants with a water drip system. This saves water and also keeps the plant healthy.